I always keep smart staples in my freezer for easy meals and snacks. Here are some of my must-haves, plus a special freezer snack hack. Riced cauliflower is perfect for making high-volume meals that are seriously satisfying but won't weigh you down. Add this to stir fries, casseroles. It's a great addition also to leftover Chinese food. I love cooked shrimp and other pre-cooked proteins. It is so simple, just defrost or heat and eat. Great for topping off salads and making really fast skillet meals. It is a major shortcut. I've been a fan of burger-style veggie patties for a really long time, and they're not just for traditional burgers. I chop them up and put them over salads and also eat them on lettuce buns. Stop the presses because chocolate-coated frozen fruit is the perfect sweet tooth fix. True fruit rocks. And last but not least, I always have a bag or two of frozen fruit. Yes, it's great in smoothies and cocktails, but I sometimes just let it defrost a little and snack on it straight. One of my absolute favorite hacks is to pop grapes in the freezer and eat them later. For more tips and tricks, follow Hungry Girl on social media and subscribe to my daily emails at hungrygirl.com.